Now, the smartsys comes with a comprehensive cluster of document generators that allow the user to generate sales quotation, delivery order, invoices, and also payment vouchers, petty cash, official receipts, and so on. In order not to suffer late accounts, and in order not to waste time doing partial accounting work in Excel, users are encouraged to use as many of these applications as possible. They are so easy. Anyone can learn each of these applications in a matter of minutes. For example, click on invoicing and we are ready to create an invoice. Simply select a customer. You can also indicate the salesman, then the stock code. It tells you the stock balance at this moment and the last time this was sold at what price. Hit the quantity and we are done. Print your invoice to Atlas Trading and you can generate your invoice in double quick time. Isn't this wonderful? Now, no accounting knowledge is required. Every document generated will update your accounts automatically without human intervention. Can you see? This is the invoice we just generated a moment ago. Now you don't have to stay back to update your partial accounts. Customers' accounts are updated instantaneously to give you real-time information. The statement of account will also show the aging in days. When you receive a payment, click on Official Receipt. Again, create a receipt by selecting the customer's name. You can also account for your receipt or your collection by salespeople. Key in the amount, let's say $10,689.30. Now, you can enter the remark, for example, invoice 14. Key in the branch, BBS Shenton Way. Then proceed to key in the check number. There is no bank charges, so simply save. You can generate another receipt by selecting another customer, or you can abort. Now we are ready to print our receipt. Received with thanks from Atlas Trading for invoice 14, the sum of $10,689.30 only. You will no longer have poor documentation and messy records with smartsys. Yes, your accounting reports will be instantaneously updated by smartsys. No further work or human intervention is required. Can you see the statement of account showing the receipt for invoice 14, $10,689.30. Isn't this wonderful? Besides the customer account, smartsys also update your cash book. So select a bank account and let's look at the cash book. Can you see the receipt from Atlas Trading for $10,689.30. Now there is no need for you to maintain partial accounting records using Excel. Every receipt and payment will be automatically updated. Let's do a payment voucher. Create a payment, check number, we are paying the rental for warehouse. Search for rental account, rental of premises. Key in the invoice number and the amount. Select the supplier's code. And we are done. Now we are ready to print our payment voucher. Can you see? Rental for warehouse, goods and services tax. Total amount is $5,350. Every document generated will automatically update your accounting records to give you real-time information. Now let us take another peek at our cash book. Can you see? Check number for the sum of $5,350. Well, this is already updated to your cash book to give you a net balance of $398,945.72. There is no need to incur hidden costs keeping partial accounting records using Excel. And these will raise your service to the next level where your clients will be more than doubly satisfied with you. Now they can enjoy timely accounting information without additional work or information. Thanks to smartsys, there is no more hidden cost in doing partial accounting work.
Now as you can see, all the transactions at the client's system are readily saved into a folder called to host. Now all the accountant has to do is to bring a thumb drive and copy this folder into the thumb drive. There is no need to lug downloads of documents and spend a whole weekend doing tedious and time-consuming data entry work. No data entry is required, as the client uses the smart system to generate documents day to day. The accounts are fully updated to give the client real-time information. Smartsys eliminate the need for data entry work. Now, the accountant just needs to export this information into his special feature. All the transactions will become unposted. Yes, each and every payment voucher will be reverted back to its unposted state, so that the accountant can quickly make amendments to any error in the charge code. For example, a settlement on supplier account is wrongly debited to purchasers. Well, the accountant can then change the charge code to trade creditor account. So this way, time is saved. With the Smart Sys, accountants no longer need to spend days on tedious data entry work. Time is freed up for you to spend with your family and friends, or to take on more jobs and make extra income. So wise up and switch over to Smart Sys.
Now there is a function to import the data that we have copied over from the client system. Click here, and then you can import the sales invoice, credit note, official receipt, payment vouchers. In fact, anything that is done at the client system can be imported using this function here. Once it's imported, it will be in the form of a document, for example, a payment voucher that has not been posted. So all you need to do is click on the payment voucher, and you will get this menu for payment voucher, and you can amend each and every payment voucher, making correction to the charge code. For example, if a supplier invoice has been charged wrongly to purchaser's account instead of trade creditor control account, well, the accountant can simply do a scan, review, and then repost the voucher after it has been amended. So there is no need for freelance accountant to worry about inputting from manually written out payment vouchers. There is no need for clients to hold back the updating of their cash book. Everything can be done real time by the client, and whatever mistakes they make, the freelance accountant will have the final say to amend the payment voucher accordingly before repost. This makes Smart Sys the ideal tool for freelance accountant. No more lugging armloads of documents. Just bring a little thumb drive to import the data, and then no more weekends doing tedious input from source document. You can import in a matter of minutes rather than spend days doing input. This way, you can free up your time and productive capacity either to do more profitable jobs or to spend quality time with your family and friends. Thank you for your interest in Smart Sys.